Welcome. In this video, we will guide you on how to create a poll on your Facebook posts. Follow these simple steps to add a poll to your Facebook post. 1. Start by opening the Facebook app on your Android device. 2. Tap on What's on your mind to begin creating a new post. 3. Select Photo Video to upload a photo or video to your post. 4. Choose a photo and tap on it to proceed. 5. Look for the sticker icon at the top of the screen and tap on it. 6. Among the sticker options, find the poll icon and tap on it to add a poll to your post. 7. Enter your question and provide the options for your poll, then tap Done to save. 8. To finalize and post your poll, tap on Next to share it with your friends and followers. By following these steps, you can easily create engaging and interactive polls within your Facebook posts to gather opinions and feedback from your audience. Polls are a great way to spark conversations and connect with your community on Facebook. Adding polls to your Facebook posts can help increase engagement and make your content more interactive and interesting for your followers. Get creative with your poll questions and options to encourage participation and generate valuable insights from your audience. We hope this guide helps you in creating polls on your Facebook posts effectively. Thank you for watching.